This is my Leatherman fuse. My father bought it 10 years ago, and I have been using since then. But yesterday, I don't know what this part of this Leatherman is called, but it's not broken, and this one. And I tried to contact the Leatherman customer service if they will not, if they will help me or give me new one, because they have said that I have this 20 years warranty if this Leatherman will broke, and they required me to have this receipt, but I cannot provide one because it was 10 years ago. And I don't know if you guys experienced this. Please comment down below what did you do in order for you to fix this problem, or can I buy this, where can I buy this piece of Leatherman fuse so that will function normally. Thank you everyone for watching.